This is a guided exercise for the mindful check-in. This practice involves checking in with yourself and being curious about how you're feeling in both your body and mind. For this exercise, your eyes could be open or closed, and find a comfortable position that works for you, whether that is sitting or lying down. Now, first, take a moment here just to pause, slow down, and gather yourself. Maybe taking a few slow breaths in and out. Noticing the breath as it flows all the way in and all the way out. And now, when you're ready, take a moment here just to pause and check in with yourself in an open and curious way. Just noticing how you're doing and what's going on. All throughout our day, we have different thoughts and feelings. We feel different ways, our mood changes. So just taking this moment right now to really check in and notice how you're feeling. You might start out by checking in with your body, just noticing how your body feels right now. If you like, you might start at the top of your head and slowly scan down and just noticing what physical sensations come up in your awareness. It's possible you might notice some physical discomfort or pain in your body. And as best you can, allowing yourself to just be aware of these sensations too. And if you like, you might experiment with what it's like to breathe with these physical sensations of discomfort. Sending your breath to these areas of discomfort and inviting any tension, tightness, or gripping to release. And now, take a moment to check in and acknowledge what's going on with you emotionally. There are many possible emotions you could be feeling. Maybe you feel content or calm, bored or restless, or maybe stressed or anxious, frustrated or angry, or maybe sad or down. Or maybe you're feeling sort of emotionally neutral right now. And just seeing what it's like to try to put a label or a name on any emotions you are feeling. And if no words or labels come to mind, that's totally fine. Just practicing bringing an open and curious awareness to any feelings or emotions that may be coming up. and as best you can, seeing what it's like to just allow yourself to really feel your feelings as they are right now. And you might even experiment with what it's like to breathe with your feelings, letting the breath assist you with staying with your feelings, or almost like you're using your breath to ride the waves of feelings from moment to moment. And now take a moment here to check in with what's going on in your mind. Sometimes our minds are very busy with lots of thoughts. Sometimes our minds are quiet, or sometimes somewhere in between. So taking a moment here just to see where you're at right now and what's going on in your mind. Maybe just first noticing how busy your mind feels right now. Are there lots of thoughts moving around quickly? Are there a few thoughts coming up here and there? And see if you can notice when individual thoughts pop up in your awareness. And just exploring what it's like to step back and observe the thought from a distance as best you can. Not doing anything with the thought, but just really noticing it as it's there, as it comes up, and as it passes by. And now, when you're ready, take a moment here to really gather your attention and bring your attention to your breathing again, noticing the breath as it flows all the way in and all the way out. And see if you can really notice where you feel the breath in your body as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Maybe your nostrils, throat, chest, or belly. And continue to just focus on the sensations of the breath as you breathe in and out. It's totally normal and okay if you find yourself getting distracted or caught up in thoughts. This happens to all of us. Whenever you do notice you have wandered off, see if you can acknowledge that you've wandered off, and then as best you can, coming back to the breath again and again. And notice where your attention is right now. Again, if you've wandered away from the breath, no problem at all. You might even see what it's like to just be curious about where you wandered off to. No need to push thoughts away. Again, just noticing thoughts, not doing anything with them, just noticing that they're there. And then returning your attention to the breath, again and again, as you continue to follow the breath with your awareness. And now, as you continue breathing here, see if you can give yourself complete permission to just be exactly as you are in this moment. Allowing your body to just be exactly as it is right now. And allowing any emotions or feelings to just be exactly as they are right now. And allowing your mind to just be exactly as it is in this moment. For this moment right here, nothing to change, nothing to fix, just holding yourself and your experience in an open, curious, and non-judgmental awareness. And remember, anytime during your day, you can pause and take a moment to check in with yourself. You could pause and do a little mindful check-in. This might involve just taking a breath, slowing down, and really giving yourself a moment to check in with yourself in an open, curious, and non-judgmental way, just as you did in this practice. And keep in mind that regular mindfulness practice makes your brain healthier and stronger. Your brain is really like a muscle that can get stronger and stronger with practice. Your brain can change, you can change, and you have what it takes to boost your ability to handle stress, emotions, and challenges in your life.